Jim DINE Heart Work. This is Jim DINE. He is an American artist making art today. Here are some of Jim DINE's heart works. Since Valentine's Day is coming up, we're going to make a work of art using hearts. And we're going to be inspired by the artist Jim DINE. You will be needing a white square of paper. In this lesson, I use a 9" by 9" square. You'll also need a 4 by 12 oak tag straight edge. It's just a piece of cardboard. You'll need a pencil, a black crayon, and regular crayons, as well as markers. We're going to be making a tic-tac-toe board. Put your straight edge against the top edge of your paper. Make sure it's lined up straight and against the top edge. You're going to trace the line across the bottom of the straight edge like you see in the picture that's red. This is the first line. When you're done, you're going to slide your straight edge down under that line that you just drew. Let's take a look. I slid the straight edge down. Now it's in the middle of the paper. You're going to again trace the bottom of the straight edge. This time this is going to be your second line. So when you're done, you should have two horizontal lines and 3 horizontal sections on your paper. Next, you're going to put the straight edge on the left-hand side of your paper against the edge like it's shown and trace on the edge of the straight edge. You see the line that goes from top to bottom? That's the one you're going to draw. This time you're going to trace the straight edge on the opposite side of the paper. So push it clear to the opposite edge and draw your next line. This is your fourth line that you drew. When you're done, you should have 9 equal squares on your paper. Do you see where it says done? That's what your paper should look like. All squares should be equal. If they're not, you made a mistake on one of your lines. Please go back and erase it and make sure that they're even. Now you're going to take a heart tracer that's in the art room, or you can just make your own. It should be 3 by 3 in size, 3 inches by 3 inches. And you're going to trace a heart into each square and make sure you press very heavy with your black crayon. Next, you're going to be coloring in each heart with any type of pattern or design with your crayons. This is what an example may look like. The inside of the hearts will be colored. Make sure you press very heavy. When you're done, you're going to color around each one of your hearts in the background with markers. So you're going to be using crayons on the hearts and markers outside of the hearts. When you're finished, please remember to put this on Artsonia for week 19. Bup, 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 clean up.